Hello and welcome again. In today's lecture, we discuss about the use of proxy server in ship-to-ship call flow. In our previous lecture, we discussed about the end-to-end call flow. Means we send request directly to the other phone and getting response directly from that phone. And this end-to-end call flow we can do only when you know the IP address and the number of the called party. But the problem here is these IP addresses are not fixed. It's generally allocated by the DHCP server and changed on each disconnect and connected from the internet. So today we can make an end-to-end call with this IP address. Tomorrow this IP address might have changed. So when we make a call with its old IP address, the call is failed because the IP address is changed now. So to overcome such problem, proxy server comes into the picture. What we generally do, we deploy the proxy server in between two phones. Now, when the phone A send a request to the phone B, it is now not directly sending to the phone B. It sends the request to the proxy server and the proxy server route the call to the phone B. But before that, both the phones should store their address, like their IP address and the number, into the proxy server database. In SIP term, what we called address of record or AOR through the registration process. Now, the proxy server have both the phone address of the record. So, when the proxy server got a request from any phone, it searched it on its database based on the dial number and route the call to this destination, whatever the IP address is associated with this dial number. So this is all about the call flow through the proxy server. Now let's check about how the proxy server handle when the IP address is changed due to reboot or disconnect from the internet. When a phone reboot or disconnect from the internet, it deregister from the proxy server. Once it deregister from the proxy server, whatever the address of the record stored in the proxy server is now removed from the proxy server. When the phone got an IP or a new IP from the DHCP server, it again store their new address into the proxy server database through the registration process. Once the registration process is successful, the new IP address is now updated in the proxy server.